Hi guys. So currently we're at the ranger station of Mount Pulag. Carlo, let's show them yung ranger station. So ito po yung ranger station ng Mount Pulag. This is the site wherein kumuha kami ng dalawang guide tsaka dalawang porter din para syempre matulungan kami sa bigat ng load namin. Well, currently ang elevation namin is 1,500
2.5.
Ha?
2.5.
2,500 ba? 2,500 meters above sea level. We will be targeting Mount Pulag somewhere here. Dito. Currently, we have 22 people in attendance. Carlo, let's show them kung sino-sino sila. Here we have Sir Cho. Sir Jodic. Okay ka. Si Sir Vic nag-stretching. Sir Vic! Si Ma'am Riz. Si Ma'am Janelle. With kanyang Jajamon warmer. Si Ma'am Claire. Si Sir Chi. Si Ma'am Madel. Lee. Si...
May kilig factor.
Ano ba nito? Si Loren. Si Loren. Tapos si Aris. Yung iba kasi nasa restroom. Papahinga. So,
Restroom.
we'll be updating you later kung ano yung mga adventures na we'll be facing. And of course, kanina nag-meeting kami with Ma'am Miring. Ganda ng mga payo sa amin. We'll just share it to you later. Guys, signing out.
Today is the day of Mount Pulag. And now we're walking through the aisle ng Undoy, pero hindi. Wawawi Stampede. Eton? What is Eton? Tan 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 tan. And now, here's your Ate Roxy.
Hi, pagod na mi.
Okay na, simula na.
Okay.
Hi guys! So currently trekking the plains of Mount Pulag.
Yeah, Pulag.
So we have...
It's a lot of pool.
Sir, uli? Ano? Sir, nangadan? Ha? Ano po? Si Sir Benito. Isa siyang Kalanguya from the Kalanguya tribe. Locals dito sa Mount Pulag.
Kanay is another tribe.
Our mountain
Expedition.
protectors. Yan. So,
Here we go.
gusto ko yung shot dito yan. Show them.
Okay, show them one by one. This is Abu Sabaya.
Dire-diretso na kayo.
This is Hancock. Alright, Tyru.
So, as you can see,
Ano po sila? So,
we're faithfully.
ito po, mga galing pa pong Saudi yung iba dyan. Ay, teka lang, di pa sila tapos eh.
Tama kami. Yan.
Wait.
Hello. Ako nagsisweep.
Alright. Wait. Ito pa ako. Wait. Stranded.
So, we're stranded.
As you can see, we're stranded.
Gusto ko yung shot dito.
Ako rin gusto ko eh. Post ko muna. Oo.
Wala pa kami take 5 pero so far, okay naman yung pace. Yung iba medyo pagod lang. Pero so far, we're doing good.
Yeah, we're doing good. All good.
Where's Ernie?
Ernie is here underneath my clothes. Because
Signing off for the moment. Balik kami mamaya. Signing out!
babush.